Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox client not responding, easy and quick. First, try all solutions like run as administrator or go to properties, compatibility, and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. If that doesn't fix it, just turn it off and click apply and OK, go back. And then also try something like restart your computer or open task manager and free up memory. Just close all the applications here. And after trying all these solutions, the last one that we have to try is to go to apps and features, type here Roblox and uninstall it. After that, go to command prompt, type cd appdata/local, click enter, and then type this command that I'm typing here and click enter. After that, type y, and that's it. Now just enter and Roblox will be completely removed from your computer. Then just go to your browser and download it again. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.